How to remove phone number in OneXpert account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to remove your phone number, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner. Next up, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're in your profile settings page, here you can see the option of phone number. And in the right hand side, you can see the option to change. If you tap on change, it will prompt you to the page from where you can change your phone number. You can only change your phone number from one to another. But if you want to completely remove your phone number in your OneXpert account, you need to go to the contact support page. So come back. In this menu page, scroll down to the bottom, select this customer support option, choose your preferred contact method. In order to unlink your phone number, you need the assistance of OneXpert customer support. So once you are connected to the support agent, you can send your message over here. You can explain your request to unlink your number. You can explain the issues over here and send the message. Now you have to patiently wait until they respond to you. So that's how you can easily remove your phone number in your OneXpert account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.